Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th to 24th April 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So here as you can see 0.11% negative move. 1.35088 is the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week, and also what is my opinion for this week will let you know. So let's first go straight to a chart and let's see what happened in this week. So here we can see this is a weekly chart. Currently we can see a good bullish candle with a small to medium body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI at around 3623 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here in this one-day chart, we can see important support zones and resistance zones are already marked during our previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 1.35088 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.34963 and direct resistance is 1.35159. After direct support, there is a support of 1.34667 and then 1.34482. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.35390 and then 1.35663. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So you can use those coupon as well. Also, if you think these rules, or if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, if you think these rules of prop firms are very strict, then you can also try your live account, which is from a broker, GTC FX. I've already given a link in the description where you can open your account from there and you can add your funds and accordingly you can trade. Also, if you want to be a part of my private channel, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you how you can join my private membership of Telegram, where I share my own personal trades. Where whenever I take trades, I share it with entry, stop loss and target. So if you're interested in that, do contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 1.346672 to 1.34963. There is a gap between these days as well. So as you can see, there is a gap between here. So I'm expecting to fill this gap. GBP USD can fill this gap in this week. So I'm expecting overall a negative closing in this range. But if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.35159 gets breached and a 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed above this. Then you can go for a long till this level. If you wait for more with the 4-hour or one-day candle closing, you can get this target as well. Overall, my expectations is a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.